digestive system provides the energy to work, play, and enjoy life. Life is impossible without food. Digestive system includes organs such as mouth, salivary glands, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus. The accessory organs of digestive system such as salivary glands, pancreas, liver, and biliary apparatus help in the digestion process. The mouth contains the tongue, having taste buds and openings of salivary glands. Esophagus has parts: cervical, upper thoracic, middle thoracic, and lower thoracic. Esophagus passes through diaphragm and has a small abdominal part. It ends in the cardiac end of stomach. Stomach is the most dilatable part of the digestive system. It comprises of a cardiac part, fundus, body, pyloric part with pyloric sphincter, including lesser and greater curvatures. Mucous membrane lining the stomach has gastric glands, which secrete HCl and pepsin enzyme. The muscular coat of stomach has outer longitudinal, middle circular, and innermost oblique muscles. Along the lesser curvature of the stomach lies a narrow gastric canal. Stomach is followed by small intestine, about 5 meters long, and is comprised of duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. Ileum ends in the cecum, which is first part of large intestine. Another opening that is present in cecum is of the vermiform appendix. Cecum continues on the right side of abdomen as ascending colon. The mesentery of small intestine suspends jejunum and ileum from posterior abdominal wall. Villi of small intestine contain capillaries which absorb end products of protein and carbohydrate digestion. The lacteals of villi absorb end products of fat digestion. The chemical digestion of food and absorption of nutrients occur in small intestine. Large intestine comprises cecum, vermiform appendix, ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon, sigmoid colon, rectum, anal canal, and anus. There are taeniae, that is, thickenings of longitudinal coat of muscle, haustra, and epiploicae, that is, bags of fat in most of the large intestine. Large intestine absorbs nutrients and water from the chyme. Big accessory organs of digestive system are the liver, gallbladder, and pancreas. The duct of pancreas and bile duct from liver and gallbladder open on the major duodenal papilla in the second part of duodenum. Liver is the largest gland of the body with multiple functions. Bile produced by liver is stored temporarily in the gallbladder. Pancreas is a mixed gland lying obliquely on the posterior abdominal wall. It produces pancreatic juice and contains islets of Langerhans, which produce most important hormone, the insulin.